Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we're gonna be doing some chicken legs, right? And we got some cream of chicken soup. Guys, I've never done this before. It's the first time I'm doing it. So this is gonna be our gravy, our cream of chicken. Guys, we got celery, we got bell peppers, we got garlic, we got thyme. Guys, we got a ton of stuff. I'll list everything below. I'm gonna get everything chopped up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got our chicken. I'm just gonna pull back the skins, right? Pull back the skin like that. We're gonna put some seasoning in there. Okay, we're gonna grab our seasoning from a pie, right? Just so we can have some under the skin. Pull the skin back over. Okay, then we're gonna go in with the rest, right? Right on top. Guys, no binder, right? No olive oil. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna give this a nice mix. All right, guys, so now this is ready to be browned in a pot. So I'm gonna heat our pot up just to brown this off. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of avocado oil, right? Not a lot. I want enough that the chicken kind of almost like frying the chicken. So the pan is covered quite liberally, right? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with our chicken. I think it should be hot enough. I see it shimmering. All right, guys, just going inside a pan here. This one's got enough color too. Move these over. All right, and this is our chicken. Okay. All right, guys, let's turn this down and let's go in with our bell peppers. Now we're just trying to saute these down, get some flavor out of them. That's it. Some onions. So let's go in with our garlic. That's 3 cloves of garlic, right? Chopped up. All right, guys, I'm starting to smell it. So I'm going in with 1 can of our cream of chicken. A little bit of water. Then, guys, we're going with our thyme. Just so we can find it, I got it stringed up, right? And, guys, just to make sure we have some good flavor, I don't know, what's that, about a tablespoon of better than bouillon, right? All right, guys, let's bring this a stir. We want to loosen up this cream of chicken. Turn this flame off. All right, guys, pour this in. You know, guys, I'm not going to put any water in here. I'll leave it just the way it is. Guys, so I'm going to leave this just the way it is. And let's cover it up with some aluminum foil. All right, guys, so this is going to go into a 350-degree oven. I'm going to say 50 minutes to an hour, right? That chicken will be well cooked. And then we're going to take the top off and we're going to let it brown up a little bit. So this is going in the oven, 350 for about 50 minutes to an hour. I'm going to go down with a thigh, right? And I'm going to go down with a leg. Go down with a leg. All right, guys, take a look at this. That's good, like right there, right? Now the skin is gonna hopefully be bite through, right? But let's get some of our sauce. We're gonna go right over top. A little bit more. All right, guys, let's go in for a taste. Let's see. Look, guys, look how this is just coming apart. Look at that. Look at that. This is hot. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth. Some more of that gravy. Look at that, guys. Guys, there's nothing better than baked chicken, right? We got the gravy, we got some onions here, guys. This is delicious, guys. Just fall apart. Let's get some of the leg. Guys, look at this. And guys, check this out. And guys, like, subscribe. Guys, like and subscribe. This is delicious. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. All right, guys, so this is what our dinner plate actually looks like. We got a little broccoli. Guys, these are leftovers, right? I'm just reusing them. Let's get some rice. Piece of meat. That's how you like that bite, huh?